Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can forward a message on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then, tap on the chat which you want to forward the message. Next, tap on the chat. After that, select the message which you want to forward. Then long press on it by tapping on it. After that, you can see the option of forward. Tap on it. Next, you can see some chats. Then send on the chat on which you want to forward the message. And then tap on send. So, this is how you can forward a message on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.